Everyone, it's Hannah here again, and it's our Pick My Brain series. So today is actually quite special because today is Father's Day, and it really reminds me to look out for some tax breaks for fathers. So most of my clients they do have their private practice or they have a limited company, and very common thing they do is employ their family member or their spouse to their small businesses and they can save tax. For instance, there's one client, he has a 16-year-old son, and basically he will pay his son about £8,000 per year as a salary. Of course, his son has to actually do the work, do the admin work for the business, make sure the salary really reflect to the duties he does, and also he has to look out for minimum wage rule. Just make sure everything is done legally. But of course, by paying £8,000 a year, that doesn't trigger any further tax burden for the son, but also for the business, you can save about 1,600 for that year. So every year, if you save 1,600 each year, and then it build up 10 years, that's more than 16. That's 16,000. So that's quite a bit of money, quite a bit of saving. Okay, so some of you might think, what if my son or my daughter is not old enough, or they are newborn babies? What can we do? So if you're the father or the parents, you are on your own business, own company's payroll, and effectively you yourself is an employee for your company, and you can take perks. So one of the perks currently still available is a childcare. So it's like your company as an employer, they can register in the scheme, childcare scheme, and then you can take up to £50 per week as tax free. So that is effectively save your business tax as well. And also, when you take that £50 per up to £50 per week, you don't pay further tax for yourself, but that cost will contribute to the childcare. So if both you and your spouse are on the payroll, so that benefit will be doubled. One thing you need to remember is this scheme will close from April next year. So government will replace something new. But then if you do need to discuss anything, if that's something is you can do or it can benefit you, please be free to let me know. Also, as said, if you do have any further questions about family business tax perks, so be free to let me know. And also, I am on Facebook, so I have a private Facebook group. It's called Tax-Deductible Lifestyle Tribe, where I will share more in-depth insights, as well as you can connect to our panel of experts. They are business experts and financial experts who can also help you to earn more money and grow your money. Okay, so I hope you find this one useful. If you do have any questions, please let me know. And if you like this video, I'd be so grateful if you can share with your friends or your colleagues. And finally, have a very wonderful weekend as well as a happy Father's Day for all the fathers or fathers to be. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy your day. Okay, thank you. Bye now.